Hello everyone, just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick tour. Well, it's not really quick, but a tour of how I decorated and set up my studio apartment. So if you're interested, keep on watching and let me know what you guys think. All right, enjoy the video. Just quick starting off with the door. This is the security I have. I'm not going to show you guys the front or outside because obviously, you know, safety reasons, but I did go ahead and get these two off Amazon. You know, this one is actually pretty cool. You just lift it and put it there like that. And you know, that one's the standard. And actually that's a cute little alarm remote that I can set when I leave and set when I'm home so that, you know, it chirps anytime I leave. And here's my big mirror, which I love. Hey, how's it going? I look in this every day before I leave and head out the door just to see how I'm doing. Ooh, cute, feeling myself. Hey, okay. So here's my window. This film I actually just put up today. It gives me a sense of privacy while still letting the light in, which I love. It's actually really pretty. I got this off Amazon as well, and it has, where are the birdies? Where are the birdies? It has like flowers and birds on them. Oh wait, here's one. Where is it? Where you at? There you are, which I love. And then I have my curtains. Come on, focus. I'll get a better view of it. But I also have like my sheer curtains and my string lights, and I think it just makes it feel, you know, pretty romantic. I love it. Why are you so zoomed in? Zoom out. No, zoom out. Okay, so I don't have a closet. So I have part one of my curtains, part one of my clothes here. Just a hat and all my clothes, and then I have some hats and what's in this one actually? I forgot what I have in this one. Oh, bathing suits. Hats and bathing suits. And then here's my bed. Hey. So here's my couch. If you come over here, this is the living room. So I'll get a better view of it, but just kind of working my way around. But this is more part two of my closet. Under the bed is where I keep pretty much like all of my storage. Most of the rest of it. See, there you go. There you go. Back to my closet. And then this is the kitchen. And the rest of the living room. See? So, you know, bedroom, closet, living room where you greet your guests, watch your movies. Oh, I'm watching Gilmore Girls. I'm obsessed. Let me know if you like Gilmore Girls too. I love having it play in the background. I've seen the entire season like 8 times. It's just cozy, something always to have on. So here's, you know, counter, breakfast counter, preparation counter. I also do my homework here as well. Trash, oven, and picture I have of New York. Makes me feel like I'm in New York. I've always wanted to go to New York and live in New York, and that just kind of makes it, you know, full window. Feels nice. And here's where I keep like some dishes, you know, Ellie's dishes, my favorite bowl. And that's the nice stuff. I've been really into mason jars lately. Like I saw this thing online where it's like you save your mason jars from like spaghetti sauce and just use them as cups, drinks. And I was like, that is genius. Something else I've been obsessed with lately as well are my seasonings. Like I'm on the hunt for a really nice seasoning rack, but I'm like, yes. I love the aesthetic of it. I like how pretty it looks and organized. And Cocktails of the Movies, which is a pretty cool book. It's special cocktails from different movies. So like Aqua Velva, I've never seen that movie, but Cosmopolitan, Sex and the City, see? So that's like one of my favorite books right there. And then over here is just where my little pantry and stuff in my fridge. All my special pictures. And yeah, so continue on with the tour. Oh, but first, food. And more storage. Ugh, don't look at that. Cat food, all that good stuff. And so the living room, I have my television. And in here it's just more storage where I keep my books. I usually have more books, and I love to have my books on better display, but I do have a toddler, so everything from her height down is just kind of like played with. I need to find somewhere else to put those, but yeah, that's pretty much as you can reach, hence the nakedness. And up there is where I keep my video games, and I keep all my DVDs in there. So I used to have an entire collection of DVDs in the boxes, but I actually shrunk them all down to just fit in that little case. So let me know if you're interested in seeing how I did that. And more pictures, car keys, perfume. So this is just kind of the station, like my catch-all station a little bit. You know, I throw my purse there, I have my keys there, stuff that I need to return, stuff that I need to mail out, all that good stuff, important documents, paperwork. And in here is just more shoe storage / linen cabinet. Should I go through each individual one? Are you guys interested in seeing what's in there? You know, you can speed through this part if you're not interested. Okay, so diapers, yes. Shoes, my shoes. Bubby's shoes. Bubby's toys. More diapers. Diaper / DVD player. Oh, purses. And empty to be determined. All right, so here we go. We have Bubby's closet. And more pictures of the Bubby. And in here is actually the water heater. I kind of also use that as like more storage. I don't know if it's technically safe or not, but hey, you know, it's a place to put stuff. Hi, Myrna. And then here's my bathroom. So this is still a work in progress. I'm actually currently looking for someone to help me redecorate it, you know, spruce it up a little bit. It is kind of naked, but you know, hey, it works. I have a new kitty litter coming in. It's actually kind of like a shelf, so that also builds more storage as well. And so here we go. So this is the layout for my studio. Let me know what you guys think. I worked with what I got. You know, I think it's pretty cute. We should be showered. Hey, okay. And so that's about it. So this is my home. Let me know if you like what you see. And yeah, so thanks for watching. You know, I'm open to comments, questions down below. I'm not really much of a YouTuber, but you know, subscribe, I guess. Is that how that works? Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.